Now, we are down with the last and final topics for this program. But before we proceed with the setups, here we'll discuss the habits and routines a good trader must acquire. Alam na natin na trading is emotionally charged. Kaya, we need proper skills in order for us to eliminate such errors and avoid getting out of the game. So to start, what separates good traders from bad traders? A good trader realizes that trading is pure patience, more of discipline, and requires a trading approach adapted to their psychological profile. He concentrates on the process of trading and not just on the result. Process over profits. We have four major processes that we need to take into account to become consistently profitable. First is planning, then execution, recording, and reflection. Planning. All great conquerors, legends, soldiers, winners, champions, heroes, players, and even businessmen never went into something without creating a plan. They never become successful nang hindi gumagawa ng plano. Even so, to us traders. Creating a trading plan is a critical component of a successful trader. A trade plan is an organized approach to executing a trade based on your analysis while factoring in risk management and psychology. In stock screening and filtering, first, you need to identify stocks na pasok sa setups na alam mo. You must consider yourself as a sniper. Di ba alam nyo yung mga sniper? They will not pull the trigger if alam nilang hindi tatamaan yung kalaban. Else, it will cost a lot for them. Pwedeng makompromise yung battle plan nila or even cost their lives. Same with us. Pag hindi pasok sa setup, then never engage. It will just blow off your portfolio. But, if you find a stock na alam mong paano i-trade, never freeze and execute. In screening, you must be able to sort by MA status, the Darvas box formation, the Fibonacci type, and the RSI zone. You need to assess this on the daily and the weekly time frame. You also need to create a ranking system based on your trading mastery. The alpha setups or niche, these are the setups that you're familiar with. Ito yung mga setups na master mo. Yung kahit nakapikit ka, alam mo kung anong gagawin mo when it goes along with your bias or if it moves on the opposite side. The B grade. Dito papasok yung mga setups that you know how to execute and you think will move in the next 2 weeks. The C grade. Dito naman papasok yung mga experimental setups that you know in theory pero hindi ka confident in executing. Then the rest, yung mga setups na you are totally clueless about or setups na you have banned from executing, yan naman yung mga hindi natin isasama sa plan. Kaya once you execute a trade tapos wala sa watchlist mo, then you are just committing sins and you know what might happen next, right? Tip in creating a ranking system, you may start on looking for stocks within the most active, top gainers, and top losers section. Yan kasi yung mga stock na may noticeable movement. Dito ko nabubuo yung watchlist ko. Screen, filter, then rank. So once you have finished filtering your watchlist, you need to create a trade plan. What you need to include in your trade plan? The overall market, bullish ba or bearish, trade objective, kung bounce play, bottom pick, trend following, swing, or momentum, trade mastery, kung anong rank, niche ba, B grade or C grade, entry plan, exit plan, cut loss plan, risk management strategy, position sizing or tranching. So, once completed, you need to create different scenarios for each stock on your list. For the bullish scenario, ito yung pinaka-bias mo, where you expect that the price will go up. Dito, yung focus mo is on the target price or yung immediate resistance. Bearish scenario, ito naman yung opposite ng bias mo. Yung worst case scenario na ayaw mo mangyari sa stock na hawak mo. Dito naman, you focus on your stops or immediate support. Next is the sideways continuation. Ito naman yung scenario where prices move in a particular range. Wala masyadong galaw sa stock. Dito naman, yung focus mo is your time stops. Kung hanggang kailan mo gustong hawakan yung stock when there is no drastic movement. A trade plan defines what is supposed to be done, why, when, and how. It should covers your trader personality, your personal expectation, risk management rules, and a trading system. A trade plan will only be effective if followed with hardcore discipline. Sabi nga ni Benjamin Franklin, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail.